What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video and review into Huck's World, and we got DW back in the building with DW57 green. This is a 12 24-hour watch face, very unique, very nice, with a whole host of information. Now in the always on mode, you're going to get a nice analog look. When the watch face is on, you got a nice blue background. You're going to get your step status, whether you completed your goal or not. You get the day of the week at the top, and you get the best of both worlds, people. You know I like this one, analog and digital, right? So down at the bottom, you're going to get your heart rate, your steps, miles walked or ran. You can also get your battery percentage, and you also get some shortcuts. So if I need to go into my contacts, make a phone call, I can. I can also check out my stats on my heart rate information. Also, same thing for my steps here. I can go in, check floors climbed, my sleep, and if I come up here, I can go in and get my calendar. So I thought this was a really good look, as well as you can get your, of course, weather as well. I thought it was a really good look. I thought DW got down on this one. Very different, very unique. Now, if you look at the index that's going around, it's green. The hands are also green. You got a smooth second hand that adds a lot of class to this watch face. And I can change the color. If I double tap, I can change the color to quite a few to customize for whatever it is that I may be wearing for that day. And I thought DW did an awesome job. 2 thumbs up, DW, in the door for this one. Alright, you all, that's going to be it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative, and if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then make sure you subscribe to my channel. And as always, I will see you all at the next video. Take care.